new one, new one, new one, new one, new one. I just flooded my wrist, this a new one. Feeling low with my stick, bought a new one. When it cost a new coupe, this a new one. Had to cut that bitch out, got a new one. New chain, new watch, new bag.
So what's good, TMG fam? It's your boy L, and I'm back with another reaction. How y'all feel? Welcome back to the channel. Salute. So listen, right after that video where I really went in on Tinder, I was like, maybe I was, maybe, just maybe I was a little bit too hard on Tinder, right? I kind of went in on them, just like on some real, because man, those stories kind of, you know what I'm saying, pissed me off a lot. I can't even say a little bit, a lot. You know what I mean? So afterwards, I was sitting here and I was like, maybe I need to go show some good that, or something funny about Tinder. You know what I'm saying? Now, don't get me wrong. If you are out there on Tinder, bro, still please be careful. Still be alert. Still be, you know what I mean, skeptical of any and everybody on that app. You know what I mean? But I cannot just talk negative like it ain't probably some good that app has brought to people's life. There's probably some success stories out there I just haven't heard of people finding their actual true love on Tinder. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just sitting here, I was like, all right, let me big them up a little bit, but just at the same time, just preach to y'all, just be cautious, all right? So this video here, man, shout outs to Fainted. Fainted actually had a video on funny Tinder posts, right? And this was put out in 2019. I didn't even know this app been around. How long has this app been around? It's crazy. But funny Tinder post number 1. All right, we're gonna check this out. Run them likes up, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Run the likes up.
Would you like to hang?
Hold on. Oh, my bad. I thought I hit the. Let me refresh it real quick before we jump right into it.
Would you like to hang out? It's a school night though, so we can watch movies and cuddle. What if you're a murderer? I promise, I'm not. Sounds like—
See, that's not me. That's somebody else's response. What if you're a murderer? You know what I mean? It's somebody else's response, not me.
We can watch movies and cuddle. What if you're a murderer? I promise, I'm not. Sounds like something a murderer would say.
Right.
Next up, we have Zach23, and I'm not quite sure what's going on here with his profile picture. I think it's him and his mum dressed up as a sandwich.
Alright, bro. Some people have be saying, yo, I can't get a date, or I can't get a woman, or I'm struggling in the dating field, man. This is why. Take a look at Exhibit A. If you're taking a picture and you try to get out into the dating world, and this is your quote unquote, maybe your avatar or whatever, your picture for your profile of you and your mom in a peanut butter and jelly costume, bro. And you wonder why your phone dry? Why it's super dry? Why it's desert dry? Huh? You wonder why? This is why, bro. A picture with your mom and some peanut butter and jelly stuff. Ladies ain't gonna tell you, but I'm gonna tell you, bro, they judging you, fam. They judging you. They judging if they gonna have to get in a relationship with you and your mom. You know what I'm saying? You and your mom, you know? Mrs. Peanut Butter. They wondering if they gotta get in a relationship with Mrs. Peanut Butter here. Jeez, bro. I need to start a course.
For the love of God, someone please date me so I can stop bringing my mom to costume parties. 6'2", by the way. Next up, we have Sarah, who's 18 years old and has a rather peculiar job title, I must say. But that isn't even the best bit, and I need to show you guys her bio, which is just so odd. My only turn off is guys who like bugs, but not bugs themselves. I happen to love bugs actually, and every night I smear the juice of crushed bugs all over my skin in order to maintain a youthful appearance. Let me know if this activity interests you. I'd be happy to arrange a meeting in which we can both partake in it. Of course, you would have to pretend to be repulsed by the bugs, or else I would get turned off. Guys, I think I found my true love. A girl who uses crushed—
Somebody out there for everybody. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Somebody just got turned on and excited by that post, while I'm repelled and ready to go throw up. Just thinking of her just smearing bug juices and bug guts and dead bugs all over her body, bro. Gotta be careful, fam. Read these bios, please.
that bugs as a face mask is honestly wife material. And after Sarah tells us all about her bug obsession, she eventually finishes off her bio by saying, I can 100% outsmoke you. Don't worry about that, sweetheart. You had me sold when you said, my only turnoff is guys who like bugs. Easiest super like of my entire Tinder career. But anyways, 235,000 people every year are sent to the emergency room for slipping in the shower. So next time you go, you should bring me just to be safe. Oh, alright, I'll keep that in mind. Okay, cool. I should probably get your number so it's easier for you to get a hold of me. Right, it's 543-821. I hope you like bad girls, because I'm bad at everything. Well, I hope you like badass boys, because I'm in dire need of glute workouts. Natalie super liked you on April 17th. When I get super liked, it's usually by accident. Fast forward 12 days to April 29th and this guy is still yet to get a reply from Natalie, so he decides to message her again. I think you proved my hypothesis. Jen 27. I like short boys. If you're over 6 foot, please move on. I'm 5'1", so it'll look like I'm out with my dad. Oh, how the tables have turned. This is quite frankly unheard of.
I was just about to say that's a first. Normally girls love tall men. Tall men is that's their dream. You know what I mean? But she was like she kept it real. You gotta salute her for keeping it real. She's 5'1". She's like, I want to look like I'm out with my dad, bro. Every time we go out, they're like, oh, your daughter's so cute. It's not my daughter. And then if y'all kiss while you're on a date, people giving y'all them weird stares.
So this guy's first message towards this person is a dog emoji. That's one way to start a conversation. Banjo, get back here. Sorry, he runs off like that. Anyway, what's up? That's literally the best thing I've ever seen. Funny, I said the exact same thing when I saw your profile. You're great. Not as great as our first date is gonna be. Speaking of which, when is that? Haha, when would you like it to be? I'm free this Saturday. What about you? Hey there.
Talk about aggressive. Woo! Now, me and Queen was having this debate the other day because she saw a post. Hey, the aggressive style is really not liked these days by some people, man. A lot of people not really feeling that aggressive type of style. How you feel, ladies? Aggression or no? Aggressive or no? You know? Confidence? What do you think?
Autumn, how many fool jokes have you heard? A handful. What about you? Well, my name is Tyler, so I haven't heard many. But it's May. You know what that means? It's almost summer, which is my mom's name. In that case, it seems we can make summer and autumn come at the same time. Next up, we have a message from this girl called Des, and she messages this guy saying, Hola! You're very handsome. Despacito. Do you get it? Because her name is Des, and he just said Despacito. Comedy, baby, yeah. Next up, we have Elle, aged 19, and her profile page says, looking for a second boyfriend, willing to consider dumping him for you if you take me on an adventurous date. Yeah, guys, don't mind me, just looking for a second boyfriend, and while I'm at it, I might actually get...
These apps don't make you be like 21 and older. I'm still tripping off she's 19 on this app.
5. I mean, what's the point of having one boyfriend when you can have 27 of them? Tinder, you got a new match. Me! Pancakes or waffles? Fantastic opening line. Can honestly say I'm impressed. Know what would be more impressive? What would that be? Answering the simple question. Now we have Josephine, who's 26 years old. Awarded 5 stars for best girlfriend several times. Here are some real reviews from my ex-boyfriends. Peter, can't cook and boring. Nate, I never dated you. David, we broke up 3 years ago. Please stop. Well, you can see where she got her 5-star girlfriend rating from. Any girls trying to pick up guys on Tinder, you know what to do. Put your ex-boyfriend reviews in your Tinder bio. I guarantee it increases the amount of people you match with tenfold. Next up, we have this random girl who's 21 years old and probably has the most incredible Tinder About Me section I've ever seen in my life. Searching for my ideal type. 5'7", bald, net worth of 151.8 billion, will marry with no prenup, hand over 35 billion worth of Amazon stock in a divorce settlement. Jeff Bezos. Well, those are some pretty tricky requirements to live up to, I must say. Unless you're Jeff Bezos and happen to be using the Tinder app now that you're newly single. I mean, imagine coming across Jeff Bezos on Tinder. That would just be so odd. I enjoy having breakfast in bed. I like wait.
I keep seeing the mileage. Is that true? Are they really saying that you're 30-something miles away from that person? Do they use it? You know what I mean? Is that true? I'm guessing it is, but it's still like, does that play a part in factoring in your Tinder situation, knowing that they're close to you or something like that? Does it entice you more? I don't know. Just had that question because I keep seeing it.
Waking up to the smell of bacon. Sue me! And since I don't have a butler, I have to do it myself. So, most nights before I go to bed, I will lay 6 strips of bacon out on my George Foreman grill. Then, I go to sleep. When I wake up, I plug in the grill. I go back to sleep again. Then, I wake up to the smell of crackling bacon. It is delicious. It's good for me. It's the perfect way to start the day. That is one of the weirdest bedtime routines I've ever heard.
Travis Scott. This is his definition of sicko mode right here. Sicko mode. Run from this post.
I'm not sure how to pronounce this name, so I'm not even going to attempt it, but they're 21 years old. Let's take a look at their bio, shall we? Yesterday, I saw a girl wearing a tee that said Malibu, and I was like, damn, she's an alcoholic? Until I remembered it's a place, and I am, in fact, the alcoholic. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see the most incredible pickup line of all time. This is how to pick up people on Tinder. Works every single time. Just send them this message. If you found a bag of money with the same amount as your phone number, how much money would you have? Works every time, guaranteed to get the phone number of whoever you are talking to back within about 2 to 3.
What's crazy about that though? I guarantee they probably had a lot of people actually put their number in there. Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
Working days. If you were a vegetable, you'd be a cucumber. If you were a vegetable, I'd visit you in the hospital every day for a reasonable amount of time before making the difficult decision to turn off your life support. Since when could vegetables be on life support? Imagine strolling through a hospital and coming across a patient on life support and they're just sitting there, and then the next thing you realize is it's a sliced up carrot.
Normally I'd be mad at that response, but I'm actually not, because that person's questions warranted that type of response. Jeez.
Our eyes meet across the club. I make my way to the bar. You hastily follow suit. You ask if you could buy me a drink. I laugh and accept your offer. We toast, we drink. You ask about my interests. I tell you that I have a cat. You ask if you could see my cat. I ask if you'd like to come over and pet it. You do. We make our way out of the club and into the cab. We reach my apartment. I open the door. We both get in. You look around and ask, "Where is the cat?" I smirk. You smirk. What the heck did I just read? Was that a YouTuber fanfiction, bro? Hey, you're the first human I've matched with. Congratulations, my friend. Beep up. I hate when this happens. Does your programmer want a date at least? Come on. Next up, I just wanted to take a moment to appreciate this girl's profile page on Tinder. It's not every day you come across a girl on Tinder posing in front of a Minecraft landscape. This girl's on a whole nother level to the rest of the Tinder girls. Could this be my future e-girlfriend?
Man, you can't tell me that ain't a catfish. That's a catfish waiting to happen, bro. That is a cat. You see that, you run the other way. Don't believe nothing they tell you.
Oh my god. Well, this isn't your everyday Tinder profile page. Plant 19. Reduce your carbon footprint with this environmentally friendly alternative to traditional Alternative to traditional humans. Don't mind me, guys. Just gonna go and install the Tinder app so I can pick up some plants online. At least a plant wouldn't break up with me for pursuing a professional Fortnite career.
Why are you crying?
Next up, someone has matched with a girl called Erin, and this dude messages her saying, "I'm in my room contemplating what to do tonight. I see a Tinder match. Wow. I get up off my bed. I'm getting nervous. What do I say to this girl? Don't overthink it, Max, I say to myself. It's getting hot in here. I should go open the window and let some air in." Haha, very smooth. Let some air in. Do you get it? Air in, air in.
All right, I gotta ask at this point. Y'all put it in the comment section below, bro. What's some of the craziest stuff people have said to you on Tinder? I gotta know. Are people really saying stuff like this out there? This is nuts. So please put it in the comment section. I need to read these. I need to read these pickup lines, these starter conversation lines. I need to read them all, bro. This is crazy.
Comedy. So this is gonna sound absolutely bonkers, but this is how I make a peanut butter and jelly. Well, first I toast the bread, so that I don't have a soggy sandwich by the time I'm done. Acquiring the ingredients is the next step. I grab the PB&J. Now at this point, the bread is nice and crispy. Naturally, I spread the peanut butter and the jelly on the toast. After this, I take a big old bite, but I realize something is off. Oh no, I forgot the most important ingredient. Nearby in the cabinet, I reach for the beans and pour them on the sandwich. Everybody knows that beans are the most important part of the sandwich. That is horrendous. It gets even worse if you put the first letter of each sentence together. Yeah, I hate this. Now bear with me. If we take the first letter from each of your messages, we get Vi. As in, may I procure Vi number? No. Normally would have made up a line based on your bio, but someone doesn't have one yet. Lol. Well, that would be too easy. You have several photos to work with. And this is the image that she has on the front page of her Tinder profile. Okay. Hopefully pushing you off that cliff isn't the only way to get you to fall for me. Me before I meet my Tinder date. I hope it's a girl. My perfect date night. I pick you up in my VW Golf. You get in. There are candles in the car. You ask, is that dangerous? And I answer, yes, but I like danger. We go to your favorite restaurant and have an awesome meal. Then we go outside and see that my car is on fire. You say, Timo, your car is on fire. Aren't you upset? I pull out a bag of marshmallows and say, no, I knew this was gonna happen. And then I kiss you in front of my burning car. And who said romance was dead? When your Tinder bio says 6 foot versus when it says 5'11". Anyways, guys, that is it for the first episode of Funny Tinder Posts. I hope you have enjoyed.
Yo, y'all really got me seriously wanting to go and be like, yo, Queen, let's set up a Tinder and see what happens, man. But I don't want to be out here leading people on, because there's really people on that app trying to find love. And I don't want to be just for my sheer entertainment messing with people and leading them on. But this video alone got me wanting to see what all this is about and how crazy it is out there, bro. But I'll just take you guys' word for it. Y'all put in the comment section, man, what's some of the craziest things you've seen or received while being on Tinder, man. Let me know, all right? It's your boy L, man. Y'all get at me in the comment section, and y'all stay solid, bro. And be careful out here, man. I ain't trying to read about nobody that's in the fam, or anybody, period, out here getting catfished or something crazy happening to them through Tinder. You know what I mean? All right, it's your boy L, man. Until the next reaction, I'm gone. Y'all stay solid. Hey.